You can also assign multiple values to a variable. So in this situation here, I've created 3 different variables, x, y, and z, and then we have 3 different values, orange, banana, cherry. Now to see it in action, I'm going to use the print command or the print function, and we'll just do each one. We'll run the command, and as you see, it prints each line, orange, banana, cherry. It's printing x first, then y, then z. Orange is assigned to x, banana is assigned to y, and cherry is assigned to z. You can also assign one value to multiple variables. So in this case here, we can do x equals y, which equals z, which equals the string data type orange. And if we were to print the same again, we have 3 different orange results, because each one, x is being assigned to orange, y is being assigned to orange, and z is being assigned to orange. You can also update or reassign a variable's value. So in this example, we'll use the variable greeting, and we'll give it a value as hi there. And then we'll print greeting. We'll run it, and we have hi there as an output. Then we'll update the variable greeting, and we'll give it the value of hi again, and then we'll print greeting again. So in this case, or in the last scenario, I printed it and hi there came up. In this case, you'll see that not only will hi there print, but then hi again will print after, because we're updating the greeting. And as you see here, it is hi there and hi again. So it's printing both. Even though greeting is listed twice, it's listing it, and then it's listing the new updated version again. And you can write it in different ways. I don't need to have print the first time. I can just do, in this scenario, we have greeting hi there, and then I have right after greeting equals hi again. And so in this case, you're going to see that the hi there is getting overridden by the new variable greeting of hi again. And you get the result hi again. So it overwrote the hi there value. And we'll do one more example here, where I'll create a variable called default option, and we'll give it a value as upload. And then we'll create another variable called new status, and we'll assign that as download. And then we'll rewrite the new status variable, and we'll give it a whole new value. We'll assign it the default option variable. And then we'll print new status. So in this scenario, before I hit run, we're saying that default option equals upload. And then we're creating another variable called new status equals download. And then we're rewriting that new status variable to equal default option. So what it's going to do is, it would have originally printed download, but because we're assigning new status to the default option, it's going to print upload. And we'll run it, and it comes up as upload. This is just a different way of reassigning a variable value. So this concludes our introduction video to Python variables. the naming conventions, the types of values you can give to them, and how to reassign a variable value.